Have you ever noticed dark patches or uneven skin tone on your face, hands, or body? Whether it's from sun exposure, acne scars, or hormonal changes, hyperpigmentation is a common skin concern that affects people of all skin types. While there are many chemical treatments available, not everyone wants to use harsh ingredients like hydroquinone or chemical peels. The good news: there are plenty of natural remedies that can help fade dark spots and even out your skin tone without the risk of irritation or side effects. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 natural remedies for hyperpigmentation that you can try at home. Number 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is known for its soothing and healing properties, but did you know it can also help with hyperpigmentation? This miracle plant contains aloe, a natural compound that has been shown to lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. To use aloe vera, extract the fresh gel from an aloe leaf and apply it directly to affected areas before bed. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off in the morning. Repeat daily for best results. Aloe vera is gentle and safe for all skin types, making it a great option for long-term use. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for centuries due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It contains curcumin, which helps reduce melanin production, leading to brighter skin and reduced dark spots. To make a turmeric mask, mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of honey or yogurt to create a paste. Apply it to dark spots and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. However, be cautious. Turmeric can stain your skin temporarily, so use it in small amounts and rinse thoroughly. Number 3. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C and citric acid, which work as a natural bleaching agent to lighten dark spots. However, it can be harsh on sensitive skin, so it's best to use it carefully. Squeeze fresh lemon juice, dilute it with equal parts water, and apply it to dark spots using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse off. Use 2 to 3 times a week and always apply sunscreen afterward, as lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. If you have sensitive skin, consider mixing lemon juice with honey or aloe vera to reduce irritation. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, contains acetic acid, which can exfoliate the skin and lighten dark patches over time. It also helps balance the skin's pH and improves overall skin health. To use ACV, mix 1 part ACV with 1 part water and apply it to hyperpigmented areas using a cotton pad. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. Use once daily or every other day if you have sensitive skin. Some people may experience mild tingling or redness, so always do a patch test first before using it on your face. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been shown to inhibit melanin production and reduce hyperpigmentation. Steep a green tea bag in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes, then let it cool. Apply the tea directly to dark spots using a cotton ball, or place the cool tea bag on the affected area for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat daily. Drinking green tea can also help improve skin health from the inside out. We made a book, 10 questions everyone should ask their pharmacist. You can find a link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Number 6. Honey. Honey is packed with antioxidants and antibacterial properties, making it great for healing scars and brightening dark spots. It also acts as a natural humectant, keeping the skin hydrated and glowing. Apply raw honey directly to dark spots and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Use daily for best results. For added benefits, mix honey with turmeric or lemon juice for a brightening face mask. Number 7. Papaya. Papaya contains natural enzymes like papain, which help exfoliate dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, leading to brighter skin. Mash ripe papaya into a smooth paste and apply it to dark spots. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week for noticeable results. Regular use of papaya can help fade dark spots and leave your skin looking fresh and radiant. Number 8. Potato juice. Potatoes contain catechols, an enzyme known to lighten skin and reduce pigmentation over time. Grate a small potato, squeeze out the juice, and apply it to dark spots using a cotton pad. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Repeat daily for noticeable results. Potato juice is gentle enough for all skin types and can also help with dark circles under the eyes. Number 9. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin C and essential fatty acids, making it a powerful remedy for hyperpigmentation and acne scars. Apply a few drops of rosehip oil to dark spots and gently massage it in. Use every night before bed for best results. This lightweight oil absorbs quickly and can even out skin tone over time. Number 10. Yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin and helps fade dark spots and scars. Apply plain yogurt directly to hyperpigmented areas and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Use 3 to 4 times a week. For added benefits, mix yogurt with honey or turmeric for a brightening face mask. Hyperpigmentation can be frustrating, but with patience and consistency, natural remedies can help fade dark spots and improve skin tone. Whether you choose aloe vera, turmeric, lemon juice, or rosehip oil, these gentle chemical-free solutions can give your skin a natural glow. Hey, I'm Dr. V and welcome to my channel. Please check more of my videos about health and medications, and cheers to a healthy life.